In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the antenna mast on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on top of the passenger side fender. Let's get started. Using an antenna mast tool or an 8mm wrench, we're going to remove the antenna mast. Break it free, spin it out, remove the antenna mast, install the antenna mast, snug it down by hand. Included in your kit will be an antenna mast tool. Once you have the antenna mast tightened by hand, we're going to install this tool over the top of the mast, slide it all the way down to the base. We're going to turn this up to 45 degrees, but no farther. Remove the tool, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.